Welcome to ALFIE'S driving school. For today's video we're going to be doing roundabouts in Romford. Okay, at this roundabout we're going to follow the road ahead, third exit going towards Hornchurch and Dagenham. So as we approach, ahead is 12 o'clock, so it's normally the left lane if it's 12 o'clock or before. So checking our mirrors, slowing down, looking to the right nice and early. Really important that we keep to the left and stay in our lane, maintain that position in our left lane, indicating to come off at the exit before the one that we want. When approaching the roundabouts, just keep an eye out for the signposts, and then as you get to the roundabout, keep an eye out for the road markings. At the roundabout we're going to take the second exit off to the left, that's going towards the Liberty. As you can see, the first exit's just got a very short black line that's got no designated place to go to, still has class as an exit though. And indicate left to come off at the exit before the one that you want. So keep an eye out for other signposts. Up ahead there's a traffic light signpost on the bend. Looking ahead there's the road, well, the signpost for the lanes as well for the traffic lights. And then obviously your road markings. When moving off at the lights, just check all your mirrors, your left mirror, interior and right mirror. Just left mirror would be for the cyclists, right mirror for any motorbikes. At the next roundabout we're going to follow the road ahead, second exit. So again it's 12 o'clock or before, you normally approach the roundabout in the left hand lane. No road markings. Looking to the right, safe to go. Again, making sure you stay in our left hand lane, indicating to come off. And then at the next roundabout we'll take the second exit off to the right. Some mirrors, indicate, check your right shoulder, check your blind spot to move over. To the right, and it's safe to go. And then checking your mirrors, left mirror, indicate left, look over your left shoulder. Okay, that's the end of that video, and I hope that was of great help.